what's happening, man?
Hey, man.
Hey, Mr. NASA, what's good, man? You right?
Cool your trousers are.
Were you really saying that? God damn it. Welcome to Ferrari London. In this truck thing over here is a very, very special car, people. It's a brand new Ferrari F8 TRIBUTO. That is a brand new Ferrari F8 TRIBUTO, the replacement to the Ferrari 488 GTB. Mister, I wasn't sure about the F8, so what is it now?
I had to change my opinion.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that means you like it?
Yeah. It looks so much better in person.
See? Told you, man.
And now this guy's playing this music as well, just to ruin the video.
Turn your volume down! Alright, thank you. Alright.
Much better looking than the standard 488, especially from the front end.
Hell yeah.
I love the big scoop, the Pista scoop.
I think the only thing are the lights.
Yeah.
But apart from that, yeah, the back looks good.
Yeah.
But the lights, I don't know.
The interior, even though it's quite similar,
Yep.
it's just so much nicer. Similar but nice. It's just so nice.
The steering wheel is a lot rounder now.
It is. It's like a Lusso.
Exactly.
Like a Lusso / Portofino type of thing.
Indeed.
The boot, it looked like it had more space.
Oh yeah, that means...
I don't know if that's actually true or not. Don't hold me.
It looks like there's more space.
It looks like there's way more space.
Actually, it might be less good. You know why?
Why?
Because
Oh,
the scoop in the front.
Scoop, possibly.
So, but it's still spacious enough for like maybe like a quick weekend getaway kind of thing. So it's not bad.
I still maintain by saying, if somebody specs this TDF blue with a stripe,
oh my god!
Do you like the spec of this one? What colour would you get?
I kind of like Rawkus red, man.
Rawkus red. No, that one.
Can you not tell, man? Come on, man.
Like, what about the SV in Geneva, the SVJ? Like that one?
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad.
After you tell Alexander Moreau.
Oh yeah.
That you didn't like it.
People are. This is officially the laziest dog in the whole of the world. This dog is like, you know what, I'm not running anywhere. Hey, what's up, man? You cool? Yeah? This is the laziest dog in the universe, man. Look, it took like half an hour to walk from there to here. It's 50 more horses than the 488 GTB.
Packing quite a lot more horses.
That's a lot of power right there,
That
right?
is a lot.
But I still prefer the Pista.
Well,
Over that, Pista.
40 kilograms lighter. So
This thing is just going to be a
it's nuts,
weapon.
right?
It's going to be a
for real
weapon.
crazy, right? So more power, less weight, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, which is pretty quick.
But I still prefer the Pista.
The problem is every car goes to 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds now. Every car.
That is
720S.
okay. All right. So 2.9 is not bad. I mean,
No, it's not.
we're not talking about Tesla territory.
Yeah, 1 second.
I think the Pista has a more aggressive look, but power is almost the same as the Pista.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I had to choose between the two, I'd choose the Pista as well.
Yeah.
But this doesn't look too bad.
That's they've done well with that one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alex, how's your daily, man?
This daily?
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah, it costs nothing on fuel. It's tax free.
So running costs are
Don't need a
pretty...
parking permit. Running costs just my breakfast, you know, it's to power me, to power the bike.
It's not bad, man. I must say the spec is rather interesting.
Yeah. And
why did you choose-
it's unfortunate that you can't see it during the night because it's got a laser on the front. I'm not joking. Maybe a Ferrari with a laser. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, flashes a green laser in front in the shape of a bike so people know that you're coming.
Okay. It's not bad. I might get one as well.
Get it as a daily, man.
Yeah.
But I still prefer the Pista.
Catch you guys later. Peace out. I think out is this way, isn't it? Okay.